We've heard a buzz around AI and how it's transforming businesses around the world at lightning speed, right? But maybe you're scratching your head and actually wondering how exactly AI agents, for instance, can help my business to grow. What exactly is this technology? How does it fit in my business? Well, if that sounds like you, I've got great news for you. This is exactly the video you needed to see. In the next 3 minutes, I'll break down what exactly AI agents are, how they can skyrocket your business growth, and why an AI sales agent might just be the game changer you've been striving for. So, ready to see how AI can revolutionize your business? Let's dive in. So, what's an AI agent exactly? Think of it as a virtual assistant that works for you 24/7. It handles all those repetitive, time-consuming tasks that you gotta do on a daily basis and normally eat up most of your day, like making cold calls, sending emails, or tracking leads. For example, this is our pipeline with AI agents here at Anibis. As you can see, it all starts with Adeline AI, which automatically warms up all of the client's domain. This step is critical to ensure 100% deliverability afterwards. Once the foundation is stable and everything is working smoothly, our AI will then take an action based on your goals, automatically giving you the follow-up, giving you sales opportunities. Do you realize how much time AI can save you and how you can be much more productive, focusing on sales calls and closing deals? Well, that's where AI agents actually fit in, making your outreach much easier and increasing your chances of success wildly. Now let's talk about how those AI agents can actually help grow your business in practice. In industries like construction and manufacturing, your sales team is likely small, but at the same time, you're probably trying to reach and nurture hundreds of leads. Now this is where AI steps in. With AI LinkedIn channel, our tool automates LinkedIn outreach, sending personalized messages to the public you train this AI agent to look for. That saves you so much time and so much effort. And that is just the beginning. Nowadays, you can even create a whole landing page in just a few minutes with AI. And it will be specifically tailored to match your audience. So why should you use a sales agent, particularly an AI one? Well, the main benefit is it actually frees you and your sales team a lot of time and effort. Well, as a business owner, of course, you're juggling with a million things a day. So managing your team, overseeing projects, and closing deals are top priorities, of course. But without the right help, reaching out to new leads and following all them up might be overwhelming. That's when an AI sales agent actually saves your team a lot of time and switch the balance in a way that your team can focus on driving results, on closing deals and sales, instead of reaching out for new leads and nurturing them all the way. So long story short, using an AI sales agent like the tools NABs offers helps you a lot to increase productivity and ultimately drive much more sales. That said, it's an investment that pays itself by giving you the time to focus on high value tasks instead of repetitive daily tasks. Well, that was it. So what are your thoughts on it? Are you actually looking for AI agents already for your business, or do you still struggle with some doubts? Well, let us know in the comments below. We're always checking them and it will be lovely to hear from you. And by the way, let me give you a tip. Now that you understand what AI agents actually are, how they work, and how it can help escalate your business to another level, I strongly advise you to watch this video right now where my colleague will explain to you 5 tools you can use today to super change your growth. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to be in the loop of new videos. We're going to be talking about great AI features and how it can shape the future for your business to grow much further than you thought it was possible. See you in the next one. Bye.